going to begin with the alarming testimony on Capitol Hill about the nation's largest airplane manufacturer. A longtime Boeing employee is accusing the company of lax safety standards when it comes to building that 787 Dreamliner. Another hearing yesterday addressed the door blowout on a 737 MAX jet. We all remember that. And other recent incidents involving Boeing aircraft. Chris Van Cleve has more on all of this. Chris, good morning. It's making a lot of travelers very nervous, and by a lot of travelers, I mean me.
Well, Gayle, this certainly has the attention of Congress. Good morning. And there is a growing sense on Capitol Hill that change is needed at Boeing. And to get the full sense of what may need to change is likely going to require several more hearings. But what they heard yesterday seemed to reinforce concerns that there's a safety culture at Boeing that has to change.
Effectively, they are putting out defective airplanes.
Boeing quality engineer turned whistleblower Sam Salehpour told senators Wednesday he has significant safety concerns about the 787 Dreamliner.
Since 2013, there have been serious issues on the 787 program, not properly closing thousands of gaps in its assembly of the fuselage on major joints.
Are these planes safe?
Right now, from what I've seen, the airplanes are not being built per spec and per requirement.
Salehpour worries that could lead to structural failures down the line. He claims when he raised his concerns, he was threatened.
I was ignored. I was told not to create delays. I was told, frankly, to shut up.
The longtime Boeing employee testified at one of two overlapping Senate hearings focused on safety and quality control issues at Boeing. At the other hearing, Javier de Luis, an aeronautics professor who lost his sister in a 737 MAX crash 5 years ago.
There exists a disconnect, for lack of a better word, between the words that are being said by Boeing management and what is being seen and experienced by employees across the company. They hear safety is our #1 priority, but what they see is that that's only true as long as your production milestones are met.
Boeing calls Salehpour's claims inaccurate and points to stress testing as seen in this video, saying in a statement, extensive and rigorous testing of the fuselage and heavy maintenance checks of nearly 700 in-service airplanes to date have found zero evidence of airframe fatigue. We are fully confident in the safety and durability of the 787 Dreamliner. The company insists retaliation against employees is strictly prohibited, but Salehpour claims there's still a culture of fear.
All the problems that we've had, we put Band-Aid over Band-Aid to resolve the problems, and Band-Aid over Band-Aid doesn't cover it.
He also says he saw things on the 777 line that concerned him, including claims that he saw a worker jumping on components to get them to align. Boeing says those claims are also inaccurate. The company did get a vote of confidence from United Airlines. The company has 150 Dreamliners on order. CEO Scott Kirby says he is confident the 787 is a safe airplane. Gayle.
Okay, the picture they painted yesterday was very, very unsettling. Thank you very much, Chris.